lifestyle website julieblanner.com, where I share easy ideas for decorating, entertaining, and home decor. Today I'm showing how I infuse our living room with a little hint of fall without going to a lot of effort. I hope you enjoy these simple touches and a beautiful warm autumn. Things that you'll notice is that I did not opt to switch out my pillow covers once again this year. And that's because it can be really time consuming and expensive, not to mention wasteful. So I kind of try to embrace a really pretty pattern that works well from one season to the next, and added in a layer of texture in this ivory pillow. It really lends itself well to spring, summer, winter, and of course fall. And you'll notice just how these little touches of wheat and the natural colors of fall really add to it. And those are actually repurposed from last year. They were cut fresh, allowed to dry, and then reused in here this year. Of course, in addition to adding a little bit of wheat, as you know I love so much, I also added in just a few pumpkins. I didn't go overboard this year filling our fireplace with them because now we have fireplace logs. So we're enjoying our nice, warm, cozy evenings layered with some beautiful blankets next to the fire. But I really loved that idea and hope you do too. So we just added a couple of pumpkins stacked on our coffee table as well as nestled on our bookcase. Really, pumpkins can go anywhere, even to like the side of a sofa. A pretty stack looks great, or to the side of a fireplace, or a few little ones nestled in on the mantles. Anything goes, which is what makes fall decorating so much fun. I also added in another fresh organic element. As you know, and I have a new design series I can't wait for you to sign up for coming soon. One of my favorite decorating tips is that if you add something organic to a room, it automatically brings it to life. And this sedum is no exception. Sedum is a really beautiful, easy to grow plant. You can grow it almost anywhere in the country, I believe. It's very hardy and does really well. So it turns this beautiful, beautiful rustic pink in the fall, and it dries so pretty as well. So whether you're integrating into a floral arrangement like I have in this one here, or putting it in a basket, it really makes a beautiful statement, and you can enjoy it for 2 months or more, which is great because I'm here decorating for fall in the beginning of September, and I'll be enjoying this all the way through Thanksgiving. So as you can see, I added them into these baskets, which adds a lot of nice texture, a little hint of color, and is almost effortless. It's so simple. You don't even need to put them in water. Of course, you'll also see that I embraced a photograph of an organic element, some wheat here on our TV. We have a Samsung TV that allows you to display art. It also hangs just like a picture frame, allowing it to touch and brace the wall just perfect so it doesn't look like a TV. And then of course has a frame on it. I absolutely love it, and I'm going to link to it below because I know that you're gonna love it too. A lot of times we add photos of the kids and stuff like that on there. I let them choose their art for a week. It's so fun. But anyways, right now for fall, I'm once again reverting back to this wheat that I used last year because it's just so pretty and warm, and the golden colors that I love so much. Now when you decorate with neutral colors, your home easily transitions from one season to another, which is why I only have a few hints of blue that I've incorporated in some plates that we use in our kitchen when we're serving. And that way we can just layer in a few things, even though it's just organic elements, really add so much to a room without having to go overboard. Another final touch that I did to our living room for fall is I added a free printable botanical. And I have some of these for you as well that I have sourced. If you would like to go ahead and click on the link below, in the description below, you can find them all. But it's a really quick and easy way to update your art in your living room, your kitchen, any room. And it's all free because these are photographs, pictures, botanicals that are out of copyright. So you're welcome to print any of them. If you do, I would love it if you would link back to me to share it with others. But as I said before, they're free to use. So I just upload them and print them at my local like FedEx or UPS, or you can print them at home and frame them. And I actually, a lot of times will nestle some of my favorite prints in right behind. So I don't have to like go run to another room to switch out my prints. It's so quick and easy. And I'm all about effortless here at julieblanner.com. Thank you so much for coming to see my fall living room. And I have so much more to share with you. Don't forget to click subscribe. Moving forward, especially as we move into the holidays, I'll be sharing 2 to 3 videos a week. So come see me every Tuesday, Thursday, and Surprise Day. I look forward to seeing you again soon. My friend Chloe at Boxwood Avenue is also sharing some beautiful fall inspiration with you today. Not only does she live on a cattle ranch in Likely, California, where you can see lots of behind-the-scenes footage of their cattle, their horses, and of course their goats, but you can also get some really amazing design inspiration. Chloe is an immensely talented designer, and I know you'll learn just as much from her as I have, and you'll love seeing her home. So don't forget to subscribe to her YouTube channel to see more.